Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change screen mode on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display, then go to screen mode. As of now, it is set to vivid. If you would like to use other option, click on natural. So natural screen mode will now apply. Okay, that is color of your screen will be changed. Okay, see here, three samples are given. Okay, if you click on vivid, you can customize white balance. Okay, as of now, white balance is set to middle level. Okay, if you want to be cool, cool screen colors, just move this to the left side. Okay, this is cool. Okay, see the changes. This is warm conditions. Okay, click on advanced settings. Here you can adjust white balance, red, green and blue. If you adjust red, green, blue as per your wish, according to this level, screen colors will be like this. Okay, so in this way also you can change white balance, adjust white balance on our phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. In this way you can easily set any desired screen mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.